over silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We are in negative MACD, seeing signs of a converge. We're slightly off of oversold levels with the RSI. With the 4-hour chart, we are in negative MACD and slightly off of oversold condition with the RSI. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD and seeing signs of a diverge. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV. My trade position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $19.46. My sell target is at $21.72. My stop loss is at $18.80. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $22.54. My sell target is at $20.18. My stop loss is at $23.31. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 40% chance to climb between 0 to 7.3%, a 7% chance to climb between 7.3 to 14.6%. To the downside, has a 53% chance to fall between 0 to negative 7.3%,